CAT 2023 registration has started and we bring you a quick walkthrough of how to fill the CAT 2023 application form. CAT is a national level MBA entrance exam conducted for admission to the IIMs and over 1,200 other MBA colleges in India. This year the CAT will be conducted by IIM Lucknow. To fill the CAT form, go to iimcat.ac.in website and click on New Registration. Here, read the notes and fill basic details such as name, date of birth, email address, country and mobile phone number to generate an OTP. The OTP will be sent in registered mobile phone number and email ID. Enter the OTP to validate it. After that, fill the captcha code to confirm registration. Upon successful registration, you will receive a user ID and password on registered email and mobile number. The next step is to fill the CAT application form. The CAT application form has 6 pages. The first page is for personal details. On this page, you have to enter details such as name, parent's name, gender, nationality, category, PWD status, address, COVID-19 vaccination status and alternate contact details. You also have to upload your passport size photo and scan signature on this page. Make sure you upload both the documents in the specific fields so that there is no error. After uploading both, click on Save and continue to go to next page. In the next page, you have to fill academic details such as class 10, 12 and graduation marks, duration, percentage, college and university, etc. Fill the details and click on Save and continue to move to next page. In the next page, you have to fill details related to work experience. Select industry, duration and enter other details asked if you wish to, as this is an optional section. In the next page, you have to select the IIMs you wish to apply for through CAT and interview cities. You can mention 2 options in interview city section. Click on Save and continue to move to CAT test city selection page. You can select up to 6 cities as your preferred location for writing CAT exam. Click on Save and continue to move to fee payment section. On the fee payment page, you'll see the details of CAT fees and payment details. Go through them before making the payment. To pay the fees, select payment mode. Enter captcha code, click on declaration checkbox and press submit. Fee payment details will be displayed. Make the payment and complete CAT application process. If you like this video, then hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos. All the best.